Do you want to tell everybody about your day today? Do you want to tell everybody about your day? You had a very hard day, didn't you? Can you show everybody your teeth? Show them your teeth. Say, I got a new front tooth in, and it was not fun. You had a hard day, huh? We had to take Tylenol. We were fussy and crying. We had to lay on the floor together and just cry it out, huh? Yeah. Are you happy now, though? Oh, evidently we're still a little angry. Are we a little angry still? Huh? Do you not want to eat? Wilbur, quit it. Do you not want to eat? Does it hurt to eat? Huh? What? Are you talking to the dog? Hey, let's show everybody your new thing that you just learned. Remember? It's all about kitties. Kitty? Where's the kitty? We met and got to pet our first kitty. Huh? What do kitties say? Meow. Meow. Why is your foot sitting up on the thing? I swear you act like you're lounging all the time. I know. Yeah. Where is the kitty at? Kitty, kitty. Meow. 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 Are you gonna, do you have a cough? Was that a fake cough? Was that fake? Okay, you can maybe see the tooth there. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We've decided to point with our finger and wave at the same time. I'm not sure what that's about. Say bye-bye.